Hey guys, I'm Roxanne. I use these beautiful colors I got from Nail Addict LA to create tie-dye nails with just 3 simple steps. Want to see how I got it done? Just keep watching. So hey guys, how are you? I hope you guys are having a great day so far. You guys, I am super excited because I am working with Nail Addict LA to share with you guys these beautiful colors that they have in their collection. So of course I want to share a little bit about Nail Addict LA, you guys, because they're actually super duper sweet. So they are of course an LA based company, and they are vegan free, cruelty free, and 9 free, which is extremely important as far as toxins and everything else. They currently have over 100 products on their website, you guys, and they do premiere new products every month. And you guys know I have a discount code for you. Save 45% by using the term Nailology on any purchase of 2 gels or more, you guys. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. These are some beautiful gels. Anyway, I'll hush. You watch. Can see I've got some really beautiful colors, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started with the nail design. I'm using Sugar Magnolia as my base, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply 2 coats. You guys, I really didn't need 2 coats. I don't even know why I did that. This gel polish consistency is actually really beautiful, but yeah, you guys, I did go ahead and add 2 coats and let it cure for 60 seconds, and then the next step. So I'll hush. I'll let you guys watch this. I'll be back in a sec. I'll hush. You watch. Guys, isn't Sugar Magnolia just so beautiful? I think it's such a stunning neutral color, you guys. But yeah, I'm going in now with my blooming gel, and I'm just adding this to the entire nail. I'm not going to cure it. As you guys know, you do not cure blooming gel before you use it. So yeah, I'm adding it to the entire nail. And guys, can I tell you that these nails were so long and such a challenge to polish? But anyway, guys, I'm going to add my blooming gel, and then I'm going to take my dotting tool and then create a circle or a semicircle of circles, if that makes sense. So I'll hush. I'll let you guys watch this. By the way, I'm using Temptation, Dusk at Sea, Paradise Fiesta, and then I'm going in with a white, and then again with Temptation, just in case you guys need to know what colors I was using here. But yeah, I'll hush. I'll let you guys watch this. I'll be back a little later. I'll hush. Watch. Okay, so now now that I have my colors laid, you guys, and I like the way it's been blooming out, I'm gonna go ahead and take my detailing brush, and you guys will notice I'm just going between, in between those colors, if you will. I'm just taking the detailing brush and I'm just dragging it at a 45-degree angle and pulling those colors outward to create the tie-dye effect. So yeah, you guys, I hope that made sense. If it didn't, please just leave me a comment below. Ask me any question you like. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna hush. I'll let you guys watch me do this. I'll be back a little later. So you guys, full disclosure, I know you're looking like, what happened? I lost the footage of me applying the white on an angle to these nails, but you guys, it's nothing new. I did go ahead and just keep this part of it in the video anyway, just so you guys can see how I applied the white gel polish down on an angle. But yeah, you guys, I went ahead and applied 2 coats of white on an angle to my pinky finger, my middle finger, and my thumb, cured that for 60 seconds, and then went over that with the blooming gel, and then worked the tie-dye process. So I'll hush, I'll let you guys watch this. I'm back in a bit. The final look, you guys, and I love these nails. I have to say, you guys, I'm super duper proud of myself because this is my very first time trying tie-dye. So yeah, I hope you guys try this too. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. You guys, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what it is you want to see next. You guys, tell a friend to tell a friend because we are growing around here. I love you guys so much. Until next time, y'all.